Today I'm going to show you how to add auto subtitles to your videos in Canva. Go to videos and open new video project. Go to uploads, upload file and upload your video. And drag your video to the timeline. Go to apps and type subtitles. Choose animated subtitles and click on your video. Make sure it's selected and click start and click export. And now choose the style that you want to use. There is many styles. Let's choose the first one. You can change the font and you can change the size as well, and you can change the color. And click generate. Today I'm going to and you can check your text and click generate video with subtitles. Add new page and click in your video and click add to design. And here is the final results. Today I'm going to show you how to add auto subtitles to your videos in Canva.